want to get myself in trouble because there's brokers on this call. I think the mortgage person provides more power than the broker because people find their own houses these days. Oh God, there's three. Look, now I got my light going on. My light's going off because they're like, don't talk about that. What you do, you're an unsung hero, right? Because anybody can find a house on their own. Nobody can find financing on their own. Well, you should put that on your website. It's true. It's true. There is no way for me to do that without working with a professional. But I can take a virtual tour through a property. So when somebody says to you, man, we're so happy, dude, we're moving in. This is so great. Finally dude, we're going to be shooting weekend at Bernie's at my place. This is going to be great. Because you do the Hamptons, don't you, Rich? I think you do. Something like that, right? Just go, man, couldn't do me a small favor, could you? Sure. Anyway, you can take your phone, point it at your face, say what you like best about working with me. That's it. Don't coach them any more than that. Anyway, you can take your phone, point it at your face, say what you like best about working with me. If you work in sales and you're serious about your career, I'm going to give you $300 right here, right now, to close more deals. Did we just become best friends? I think so. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching system in the world. One little tiny piece of that sales coaching system is our mini masterclass on closing. It's $300. But I'm gonna cover the cost for you right now. I've set some money aside out of our marketing budget. If you click the link here, I will text you a code where you can go and grab the mini masterclass on closing. I'm gonna cover all of the cost for you. You pay nothing. There's no commitment on your end. My hope is that you close so much more business, you come and join us over at Easton University, but that choice is yours. If you want to double, triple, quadruple your closing right now, click the link. I will text you a code to get the Easton University Mini Masterclass on closing right here, right now, and I'm going to cover all the cost for you. Click the link. I'll see you on the other side.